Owai to wai ne ne. Ya ba mai. Mo brown. Musau.
Valley Joyce. The first piece of the mask so that you be identified when the justices are appointed. First, the other side, the other side. You're going to see how accounts now.
You're going to just sit for you that the charges, you come back to court and appear before Chief Magistrate.
Whenever some other charges, we have to come out to date again about we work, or more facing as a Chief Magistrate, while I'm facing on us.
Okay.
Charges, zile mulana nga webaba gambi omulamuzi, charges soka eriko human sacrifice, sorry, eyokubiri eriko manslaughter, eyokusatu specific racial negligence, eyokuna being in possession of marijuana, n'eyokutaano conspiracy to commit a felony.
So as you have the charges, you come back on the 18th of November, December 2025. You appear before Chief Magistrate.
Muli ku charge yakutaano yokka, charge esooka paka kuna kuliko Brian White. Mwabana muli ku charge esembayo eya conspiracy to commit a felony and others. Oh, actually, Munina Saki. Neyo munana doing racial neglect. The charges munana. Ng'omulamuzi w'abanyonyodde mujja kudda amaaso ga Chief Magistrate ng'ennaku z'omwezi 18 omwezi ogwa December. Omusango gwamutandika okuwulira. Okubasomera, sorry.
Okay.
Date mujikutte? December.
Okay.
preposterous to commit a felony. Ey'omukaaga, giving false information.